Hey you guys, Erin, Dusty, and Mr. Max here, and welcome back, or if it's your first time to our channel, then welcome to EatMoveRest.
Yes, today we are answering one of the most popular vegan questions. Where do you get your protein? Today we're going to give you our top 7 protein sources on a plant-based diet.
So these plant proteins that we're sharing with you guys are going to be super accessible, super affordable, delicious and nutritious in all kinds of recipes. Along with each protein, we're also going to be sharing the amount of grams per serving, as well as how we like to incorporate these into our daily diet.
Yes, so stay tuned. We will link some videos, some recipe videos in the description below.
And stay tuned because we've got a bonus number 8 at the end. Okay, you guys, so along with each plant protein that we're sharing, we're also going to be telling you how many grams per serving there are in each one, as well as how we like to use them in recipes and sharing a few fun facts as well. So number 1 is peas. So peas come in a variety of forms. You can find them dry, like these green split peas. You can also get them canned or frozen. We do not recommend canned. That being said, Max loves peas. I love to mash them into some avocado for him. We love them in all kinds of Indian curry type stews, any type of soup or stew, or just on the side. So peas are our number 1, and the rest will be in ascending order of grams per protein. So we are moving on up.
Okay guys, number 2 is my favorite, and it is quinoa. So quinoa, like peas, has 9 grams of protein per serving, and it's actually a seed and not a grain. So if you are grain-free, a lot of people are on the grain-free train, that's totally fine. Quinoa is a seed, and it's gonna be just fine for you. Also, it is a complete protein, which means it contains all essential 9 amino acids that we do not make ourselves. We use it in a number of different recipes, from stews to Indian recipes, or we typically just make a big plain batch, leave it in the fridge, and we can top our salads with it, or just eat it plain. We will link one of our recent videos in the description below. That is our quinoa and mango super tasty salad.
Number 3 is hemp seeds. So hemp seeds contain 10 grams of protein per ounce. We absolutely love to add hemp seeds into our smoothies or sprinkled on top of our smoothie bowls or our salads. They are also a fantastic source of magnesium. So magnesium helps with muscle aches and pains, as well as a restful night's sleep. On top of that, hemp seeds, just like quinoa, are a complete protein. One last fun fact is that they are super high in all of the healthy fats that we need, both omega-3 and omega-6. You might be wondering how it compares to chia or flax, also some of our favorites to add into smoothies. So chia and flax are going to be your best sources of omega-3s, but hemp is going to be your best source of protein, with 50% more than chia or flax.
Moving on to number 4, we're gonna say soy, and specifically tofu. So you have seen on this channel our tofu scramble recipe. Again, one of my favorite recipes of all time. And tofu is super high in protein, with 11 grams per 100 calorie serving. Now that compares to beef. Beef only has 8 grams per 100 calorie serving. Tofu is also high in iron, calcium, tryptophan. So tryptophan helps to produce more serotonin. So you could say it's a mood boosting food as well. And you can use it in just about anything. Our tofu scramble, soups, stews, stir fries. Tofu is super easy to put in just about any recipe. A lot of people are worried about soy and soy products, but some of the most recent studies are showing that it's actually helping to reduce breast and prostate cancer. And that's coming from one of our favorite doctors. We can link her below.
Our number 5 source of plant protein is nutritional yeast. So nutritional yeast comes in at a whopping 14 grams per serving. That's a lot. On top of that is also another complete protein. Nutritional yeast is one of our favorites. I would carry it in my purse if it wasn't awkward and weird, but I have been known to bring it with me as we travel. So nutritional yeast is a fantastic condiment. You can sprinkle it and dust it on just about anything and everything, from smoothies to soups and stews and salads. We put it on our salads almost daily. And it also is a great way to make a cheese sauce. Nutritional yeast is also high in B vitamins. So it's a fantastic source of B12 because most forms of nutritional yeast are fortified with it.
Okay guys, number six is or are? Number 6 is chickpeas. So many beans have high protein, but our favorite in this category is chickpeas or garbanzo beans. They have 16 grams of protein per serving, which is pretty epic. I've actually heard a lot of doctors say that chickpeas or garbanzo beans are their favorite source of protein. They've got iron, folate, they're known to lower cholesterol and blood pressure. They're super good for you. We have an oil-free hummus recipe that we make with chickpeas that we can link below. We put them in almost every stew that we make. Salads, again, super versatile. Put them on anything. They're super tasty and good for you.
Our number 7, all right, you guys, our number 7 source of plant protein is lentils. So lentils come in a variety of colors, shapes, and sizes. Right here I've got red split lentils, our personal favorite, and we love to use them in curries. Again, we love going ethnic with the meals that we cook. And they're also great in soups and stews, yet again, as well as you can also make hummuses and different types of purees for babies. So lentils actually have 18 grams per serving. Lentils are yet again another plant protein that wins out over animal protein. So lentils are higher in both protein and iron than red meat. So as promised, we do have a number 8 plant protein source, and that is a plant protein powder, and not just any, a quality one. So we absolutely love Sun Warrior, as you guys know, because it is minimally processed, it is USDA organic, gluten-free, and it is raw. So it comes in a variety of styles and flavors based on your needs and preferences. It tastes amazing in all kinds of fruit smoothies, and we were gonna ask you guys if you'd be interested in seeing our collagen protein smoothie recipe. So collagen is huge right now, it is mega popular. What's the big deal with collagen? What's the hype? What's the craze? Is it worth it? Yes, it is. So our bodies produce their own collagen, but as we begin to grow older and age, our bodies produce less of its own collagen. So finding sources that are going to promote it is going to be important. All kinds of things from joints, muscles, ligaments, tendons, elasticity. So when you think of elasticity, you think about your skin. You want it to be elastic so it doesn't sag and droop and create wrinkles and aging. So when we have more collagen, it's going to make our skin fuller and more lush and plump and eliminate a lot of those aging symptoms. If you're interested, EatMoveRest will get you 20% off of any Sun Warrior products. If you are interested in seeing that plant-powered collagen recipe, let us know in the comments below, because we know you are gonna love it.
It is seriously good stuff. And you know the drill. If you're not already, please subscribe to our channel. Give us a like. Follow us on all forms of social media at DB Stanzik, at Erin Stanzik, and please share the video. Let's build a community, and the best way to do that is by sharing. So share this with family and friends. Stay tuned. Eat, move, and rest. Your best. Peace, guys.
Bye, guys. Say bye. Ready? Bye.
We include mother's milk as one of the top protein sources.
It's pretty much a given.
It's pretty sweet.